Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I'm Sumit Bansal, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the month name from dates in Excel. Now, there are many ways to do this, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that using custom number formatting, using a simple formula, and using Power Query. So let's get started. Here I have these dates and I want to convert these dates into the month name. So to do that, I would first select these dates. I would go to the home tab and here in the number group, I would click on this small dialog box launcher. And when I click on this, it opens the format cells dialog box. You can also get the same thing by using the keyboard shortcut Control 1. So hold the Control key and press the 1 key and it again opens the same dialog box. Now in format cells dialog box, click on custom here and then in this type field, I'm going to type the code that is going to give me the month name. And then the code is going to be M 4 times, the alphabet M. So when I type M once, see what happens? It gives me the month number, which is 10 from the active cell. If I type M twice, it again gives me the same number, but with one M, it is only, if it is, let's say 3, then it is only going to give me 3, but with 2M, it is going to give me 3 with a leading 0. So it would give me 03. If I type M 3 times, then it gives me the month name in the 3-letter format. So here I get OCT for October. And if I type M 4 times, then it gives me the entire month name. Now with M 4 times here, I'm going to click OK, and it is going to convert all these dates into the month name. Now, the great thing about this method is that if you select this cell that has the month name and go to the formula bar, you would still see the date, which means that Excel has not changed the value in the cell. It has only changed the way it is being displayed. So if you want to add or subtract dates from this cell, you can still do this. This looks like a text, but is still a date in the backend. Another really easy way to get the month name from a date is by using the text formula. So here I have the same date, and to get the month name from it, I'm going to use the text function. And this function takes 2 arguments. The first one is the value, that would be the date, and the second is the format, just like custom number formatting. So here, this is my first input, which is the date here in this cell, and then my format would be MMMM in double quotes. And when I do that, it is going to give me the month name in full. See what happens when I hit enter? It gives me October and I can copy it for all these cells. Now, the drawback of this method is that in this case, the result of this formula is a text string. So if you want to use the date in further formulas, you would not be able to use the result of the text formula, which you could do in custom number formatting because it does not change the value of the cell. The benefit on the other side is that now you can combine the result of this formula with other formulas. So for example, let's say I just don't want to show the month name. I also want to show the month name and the quarter number. So it's October, then it should be quarter 4. Now to calculate the quarter number, I would have to use another formula and I can combine these two formulas and get the result in the same cell. So let me first show you how to calculate the quarter number, which would be using a round up, where I would use the month function, which gives me the month number. So month A2 is going to give me 10 and here it would give me 3. I would divide this by 3 because I'm going to look for quarters. And here I'm going to say I want to round it till 0 digits. And now when I hit enter, it gives me 4 and this gives me these quarters. So March is in quarter 1. This is for the calendar year. August would be quarter 3. Now I can combine these two results. So let me copy this formula and here I would combine it and say dash quarter and then have this formula. And now when I hit enter, it gives me the month name along with the quarter number. So this is how you can combine the result of text formula with other formulas, which is something you cannot do with custom number formatting. You can also use Power Query to convert dates into month names, but this method would only make sense if you are already using Power Query as a part of your workflow. So let's say you are combining multiple data sets or multiple worksheets, and in the process you want to convert date into month, then this method is going to be really effective. But if all you have is a data set and you want to convert the dates into month names, then it is better to use custom number formatting or the text function. So let's see how to do this using Power Query. Here I have this data and I have converted into an Excel table. Now I would go to the data tab here and then click on from table range and make sure any cell in this table is selected. And now when I click on from table range, this is going to open the Power Query editor. And here I have my data in the Power Query editor as well. Now to convert these dates into the month name, all you have to do is come to this header column, right click, go to transform, and here within month, go to name of the month. And as soon as you click on it, it is going to give you the month name. Now, if you want this data back again in Excel, then simply come here and click on close and load. And this is going to insert a new worksheet and you would get your data here. The benefit of using Power Query is that, let's say in case your existing data changes, then all you need to do is refresh the query and these dates would automatically update. Now, as I mentioned, this would be more effective and useful if you're already using Power Query as a part of your workflow. So these are three methods that you can use to convert dates to month name in Excel. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new Excel tips video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.